What's up guys? In this video I'm going to tell you guys one of the #1 tips or one of the #1 things that you're going to need for a winter vehicle. And if you're like me, I live in the Buffalo, New York area where we get a lot of snow and it's pretty cold for the winter. Trust me, this one thing is going to help you guys out a lot, so stay tuned. First things first, if you guys are new here, my name is Jeffrey. I do videos on my 2005 lifted Jeep Grand Cherokee, which is the project vehicle for the channel, alongside my 2017 Dodge Challenger RT. So if you're interested, subscribe to my channel, check it out. I do vlogs, I do videos on stuff, DIY stuff. Or if you can, could you leave a like on this video? And I also will have a affiliate link to the product down in the description and down in the comment section listed below. So if you're interested, you want to check it out, check it out. It really would help out the channel a lot. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So if you guys are interested inside the best upgrade you can do, in my opinion, for any type of winter vehicle, you know, besides for doing your tires and like having like a specialty, like a kit inside your vehicle in case you get stuck, in case you get snowed in or something like that, always have that type of stuff first. But if you want something else that's gonna actually like help with your improvement or quality of life type of upgrades, I would definitely say invest inside a good car seat heater. This is the Sojoy universal car seat heater. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't have this thing before. This thing is great, and I'm gonna say, like, honestly, like just on the build quality and the just how well it actually heats up the entire seat, I am so shocked of how well this thing works. Now, I was just like most of you guys before, when I was looking up what's the best type of heat seater system, I was looking on Amazon, looking at reviews, and I was trying to like research for myself what's the most bang for your buck. I originally was looking at some heaters that you can actually plug into your seat, like you actually put them into the foam of the seat, so it's kind of a more universal, not necessarily universal, but it's more uniform with the vehicle, and you would hardwire it in. That's what I was looking at originally, but looking at how much work it would, how much time it would take to really do that. And by me thinking like, well, I don't really know if I really wanted to do all that. You gotta take the seat apart to do that. I decided to not go with that route. I decided to just get like a normal, seat cover, and just one that was heated. One that will plug into your cigarette lighter and you can just turn on and off, and that will work for me. I just wanted it to be more functional than anything else. So that's the route I took. Now, when I was looking at different models, looking at some, it was I think like the comfier, like heat seater. I did order that one, and it turned out that one did not work well at all. I believe that one was like 40 bucks when I ordered it. Ordered that one, when I got it, it didn't really like heat the seat up. It didn't really do anything at all. So I originally returned that one to Amazon, and that's when I bought this one. Now this one I can honestly say is really nice, because this one works so much better than that other one. And the good thing is, this one was actually 30 bucks. I'm not sure how much it's gonna cost now, but when I purchased it, it was $30, and it was actually a little bit cheaper than the other one. And for like 30 bucks, I figured, hey, it's worth taking the risk on, especially because I bought the other one for 40. I returned that one, and I was like, okay, cool, I'll take a risk on this one. The nice thing is, though, that I do like about the system, it does have different levels. So it's just 3 levels. You can turn, high, medium, and low, and it gets warm pretty fast. I'll say after like 3 to 4 minutes, it gets pretty warm. And honestly, like, I've driven around, especially like, like just driving around, even when it's not super like cold out, because granted though, it's like, fall right now, and I just purchased it. Even when like I didn't really need like to have the heat on, but I just kind of wanted to have heat on my back. Turned this thing on, and like even when I roll down the windows, it feels great. Like, honestly, I don't know why I didn't think about buying this beforehand. Honestly, it's kind of like, it's one of those small things that you don't really think about, but it brings up like your quality of life, for like with your vehicle, and you don't really think about it until like you actually have it. But now that I have it, I don't know why I didn't have it before. In fact, I liked it so much, I bought one for this car, and I'm actually purchasing another one for my other car. So I'm gonna have one inside both cars, and then inside the wintertime, when I don't drive the Challenger, I'm gonna put the other one inside the passenger seat in this Jeep, so that way my passenger, we can both have heated seat covers. Now, the one thing I will say that's kind of weird is you have to plug it into a cigarette lighter. So if you have 2, that's cool. If you don't, you might want to get a splitter. I believe a splitter that should work. I'm gonna probably get a splitter from this side, so I can have another one over here, so that way I can just I can have one and then plug in all of this stuff into another one. Now, like I was saying, the cool thing is you can turn on hot, medium, low, then off. If you have a cigarette lighter that that stays on, you just got to remember to turn it off. Or if your cigarette lighter turns off when you turn your car off, you know, it'll just turn off, and you just gotta remember to turn it back on. So I mean, this thing, it's pretty simple. Like you see, this is like the control unit. It's pretty simple. You can like extend this, make it longer, make it shorter, whatever you want to do. There's no really like good clean way to kind of like tuck it away. In this vehicle, there's not really a great way to tuck it away. Inside of the Challenger, I kind of had it like, I was able to plug the cigarette lighter into the glove, not the glove, the center console, and this system was kind of tucked away like underneath like the seat right there. But in here, it's up here. So, you know, it's not exactly the cleanest install you can ever do, but I mean, for what it's worth, it does get the job done. If you're wondering if you should buy it, I would say honestly, for 30 bucks, it's worth, you know, the risk. I personally think it's a good investment. It's a small little thing. It can help make your car like feel so much better, especially in the wintertime. You can even put it into the back seat as well. And honestly, the good thing about these things, you can take them out and put them like inside like a normal chair, as long as you have like a cigarette lighter, like an outlet. The negative thing though with this kit, it does not plug into like an actual plug. I did see the other ones, the comfier one, that one came with an actual plug you can plug into like a normal outlet and a cigarette lighter. This one just has a cigarette lighter, so just be wary about that. But honestly, that's one of the quick things you can do to improve your car. So if you're interested, check it out. I'm leaving an Amazon affiliate link in the description. If you're interested, check it out. If not, you know, I understand. You can also just search it and you'll be able to find it. But yeah, so hopefully this video was informative. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a like, check out my channel, subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as YouTube channel. And like that, I'm out of here. See ya.